Ibrahim is the first PMP of 2022. Abhishek, Mr. Kisam Khan. For one of my student, Palisa. Anirudh, we have Jangir with us. Ali, Abhilash, Sabir, Asad, Yo Manish, Abhishek, Mr. Jamal, Mr. Ahmed, Alvin, Neha, Mr. Raju, Pradeep, Amit, Rashmi, Amana, Uzair, Said, Dash, Ghulam, Muhammad, Aarti, Pawan, Tariq, Iqtidar, Numan, Mandar, Muazzam, Niju, Abraham, Wasim, Ahmed, Janjua, Aj, Osman Khan, Afzal Ali. So here we have my 100 certified PMP in 2022. It was in March, and now we are standing. We are actually with over 133 certified PMP. He cleared PMP in less than a month. He joined us in the batch 3, and yesterday he gave me surprise. Hey, I just cleared PMP, and he is with us today. And interestingly, Wasim, you are not the most recent PMP. Hasib just did PMP. So now we have 134 certified PMP. But that comes later. So Wasim from Saudi gave exam in home and he has an interesting journey to share with you. So Wasim, first of all, congratulations on becoming certified project management professional. How are you feeling?
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I was waiting for this opportunity to share my journey with all of you, and with all of my colleagues, with all of my batch fellow.
Yeah.
First, first of all, I want to explain you. In December, I had very little work. So one of my colleague he suggested me to do PMP.
Okay.
So I was thinking because in 2010 I completed my graduation. So after that I didn't do anything. I didn't study any uh, means classes. So he suggested me to do PMP. So I was thinking, okay, I was motivated. Then he referred me to you. I watch your video. I take your number from the video. I contact with you that I want to join your the batch for the PMP. You asked me about my education and about my experience. I told you that sir, I live study in 2010. Now almost 10 year passed. So I don't know I can focus on the study or no. You told me no, don't worry. This is my headache. I will clear you the I will give you the roadmap to clear the PMP. So once I contacted with you after 1 week, again I realized that I cannot do, I can't do this PMP. Then I start watching the videos. I see many journey stories. In journey stories, I was demotivated because due to my work pressure at site in the construction field, I was thinking I can't do. Then one day I see your video journey video with Mr. Gulzar. He was from also Saudi Arabia. I see his contact number. I contact with him. I told him that I want to PMP, but internally I am scared. So maybe I can't do. He's telling me, don't worry, just join your batch, okay, and inshallah, don't worry. He will give you the material. He will advise you. He will teach you. He will coach you, and inshallah, you will become the project manager. Same time, I contact with you. I enroll myself and I start watching the you shared some video with me in the initial stage. I think I completed 6 videos. Then after that I was literally scared that now maybe I can't do. So you know due to at that time I was thinking I can't do. Suddenly shutdown came at my substation in February. So in batch 2 I want to join, but I text you that sir I can't join the this batch because due to the urgent work. You advise me, okay, join the next batch. I leave the study. I didn't watch any video, but suddenly on the LinkedIn I was following your video journey videos. So internally I was thinking that now I can join the batch. I can do. But some fear in my mind that it's not possible for me to clear the PMP. Then I see, Mr. Sabar Ali, Mr. Ghulam Muhammad, and many people, they were clearing, they were sharing their journey. So in March, I finally made commitment with myself that I have to join this batch by any mean, and inshallah I will succeed. So I joined, batch three. First three, when the class started, suddenly, the again lot of work came at site. I was busy too much at site. I was physically sitting in the class, but mentally I was managing my work. For these six classes, I didn't, I didn't do anything in the classes. But on the, once the last class finished on 21st March, I make commitment myself. I make promise myself that I have to clear this PMP in 1 month. So from 22nd March, this was my first day to start the study. I started from the fundamental, and I think on 8 days I completed all the your roadmap from fundamental to business. I completed, I started watching your journey videos. I started, review the slide. Then I started, completing the 50-50 question, and these things, giving me the some motivation. But the big problem was my score. For this 50-50 question, my score was coming 63, 67%, 68%, 61%. This was the pressure, and another pressure was big for me. Your follow up. Your follow up was, this was, clicking me every time that you have to finish before ask, sir, what is the update, Wasim? You have to, ready yourself. But when I share my score with you, you are forcing me. You need the, more hard work, more hard work. So this gives me too much motivation to focus on my goal, focus on my aim. So Alhamdulillah, I after that, once this 50-50 question finished, you share me the 60-60 process and pupil. I completed that one. Alhamdulillah. Then random, because my score was coming very in 60 to 70 between, so not going 70 up. So you were forcing me. It should be 70. But Alhamdulillah, once I finished one time, in the second attempt, my score was going, more than 80%. This was giving me the some motivation. So, and internally I was feeling the satisfaction, and my fear going down. So once I finished this people process as random, you give me the full marks. I started full marks. I think when I finished four full marks during the one coaching call, you told me, inshallah you will finish, inshallah, before the end of April. So at that time I click that you want to give me hint, make schedule your exam, give exam, and clear the PMP. So at that time, once you give me the hint that inshallah you will clear the PMP in before the end of April, I went to PMI side, I scheduled my exam, and just
Now, this is the interesting thing. What is happening is you did not schedule, you just went to check.
yes,
Okay.
I
Yeah,
just
please.
went to check. I make the schedule. I was thinking maybe I will reschedule. But when I went to make the reschedule, it was, before 48 hours. It should be before 48 hours. And, I make within 48 hours. So I force myself. I have to do. Then I finished the mock 5. And Alhamdulillah, I joined the, I appear in the test. Alhamdulillah, I clear.
Now that's an interesting thing. He did not know. He never told me I'm planning to give the exam actually. So he just went there and gave the exam. So there are multiple challenges that he faced. He gave exam online from home, or you can say a proctor based exam, and he had multiple challenges. But Wasim, before moving forward, can you walk out? So can you walk in as to the entire procedure of checking, how they check in every single thing of your, like room, pictures, that starting process, please.
Yes, first of all, your laptop or your desktop should be yourself, your own, not from the company or another, because they check all the application inside the laptop. So I faced the problem because I had the laptop from the company. So I was thinking I will use this laptop, but when I download the software, this software was not running in my laptop. So I changed the laptop. This was the first thing, and during the exam day, I think before half hour, they check your all room location, all four sided, and they check the mic, they check the camera, they check each and everything in the room. And once they satisfy from that side, and when the exam started, this is was very. I first of all I will advise to all the people, uh, because in my case I am sitting in the Mahad Dahab, and my near station is city is Jeddah. It's more than 400 kilometer. So first I think to appear in the center, but this date was not available. So I went to uh, the from home. So first of all, you have to check in the center. For example, if you are planning to give the exam after 15 days or 20 days, first you have to schedule. You have to check the center, which center available near you and which date is available. Because for my case, because I was giving, I want to give the exam as soon as possible, but date was not available in the center. So I prefer the at home. And during at home, this proctor, he is watching your each and everything, even your movement, even your lips, each and everything, and you cannot stop them. And I face the problem at the last moment, because due to this is the 4 hour 230 minutes, not the very small time, and you cannot sit like like a statue. So you have to rotate yourself, you have to move your neck, you have your body, so your even chair. So they are watching you, so they observe you. They were thinking, because they are not physically available, they are watching on the digital. So one time they will give you the warning, and sometime the your reply was they will not receive. So in my case, at the last moment, when 10 question was remaining and 20 minutes was remaining, they closed my test without informing anything. Just they are telling you are moving, or you are they are feeling that my lips at the last you cannot read the question even, because after 150 question, it is very difficult to focus on the screen. So it is very difficult in the home if you are giving. So I think I advise, first you have to go to the center, the schedule exam in the center. Because for
Okay.
example, if in my case, if I they close my test after 140 or 130, this is all wastage. And after 170 minute, 170 question, when I received this my screen closed, my feeling was very bad. I was not stable, and still at night I was thinking about that scenario. If I fail, because after 170 question and 200 minutes to 210 minutes, it's very difficult.
But see,
So
putting that in the context, first of all, why you didn't inform me? Tell me
uh,
this.
sir, because I have had too much pressure, I can't sleep properly. Even I told you that I am in the dreaming, I was solving question, I in the dream I was watching you. Because your follow-up is giving, I scared, because due to your follow, if I was thinking, if I told you, because the suddenly I went to PMI side, I schedule, I was thinking I will change. Just I was checking. When I select the date, at that time I realized I should inform to you. Then I was thinking, if I inform to you, maybe your reaction will come to me, and I will go another side. So I think I was thinking that no. So once I have to appear, if I fail, okay, I will share the mock result to you that I am working. If I pass, then I will share the just the result. So this was because I want to
Yes.
share,
Okay.
but this very less time. This was my mistake. But Alhamdulillah, because when you told me now you will clear the exam within April, So I click at that time that Mr. Sir is giving me the hint. Go, because I already paid the fees. fees. So this was, I click from that, your hint. So I went to side. I made a schedule. Now, Alhamdulillah, in front of you. Just today, now, my feeling is very better. Because since night, I was thinking only that worst scenario. Because this half hour until I received the email was very bad for me.
Okay, tell me this thing. How did you like manage time? First 60 question, next 60 question. How did you manage the time?
Sir, the question, which I was solving in the mocks, for the process people and the full mocks, it was give me, too much idea how to solve the question. Because, I was first 50-50 question. I was making the root cause analysis on the paper. For example, four choices, I select the, B, A or B and C. Why I not selecting the other? So this root cause analysis, it was taking time. Then I change the strategy in the 60-60 question. I start the searching the keywords in the question. This keyword, and in the answer, the four choices, two are very close each other, and two out of the question scenario, out of the question situation. So I first search the keyword, then I search the two close question, close answer. So these things, the first 60 question I spent almost I think 75 minutes and around 80 minutes, because the first 60 question was very lengthy, four lines question, and the big line almost 2 lines. So it take times, but I was thinking it was good. I will manage in the the second phase. Second, maybe the small question will come in the second phase. Again, the 80 minute, 70, 79 minutes in the second phase. In the third phase, I make the speed up, because in the first phase I make only 5 minute breaks, but in the third phase I make 10 minute break, and 81 minute was remaining
You were
for the third.
fasting. Like if you have asked me, I would have said no, don't fast. So you were fasting, right?
Yes, I was fasting.
So there was no purpose of the break. You could not drink water. You could not have
No,
chocolate. So
no,
what you were doing?
just
Relaxing.
as I wash my face, and in the second phase, the second break, I pray the Asr prayer, so
Mhm.
it become the very relaxed.
It was helpful. Okay. Okay. Let's talk about few things about the exam. First of all, how important root cause analysis was.
Root cause analysis,
How you,
yes,
yes.
it is very important. It is very important, because if you are if solving this 50-50 question with the root cause analysis, it gives you the too much knowledge. And when you come, this 50-50 question, 11 multiplied by 50 means more than 600 question. So if you solve 600 question with the root cause analysis, so you clear each and everything about the question, about the answer. Because when you are making the root cause analysis, in the answer which is very close and which is not related to the question. So when you go to the other, the solving the process and people, this already you have the exercise for the root cause analysis. It will save time in the second phase. So you will start the searching the keyword, because I learned like this. I start the root cause analysis, then I found the keywords, because in many questions the keyword they were giving. So in the keyword, give the idea about the correct answer.
Okay. So in the keyword, they give about the idea about the correct. What about elimination technique? How important elimination technique was in the exam?
Yes, elimination technique, because when you reach the to the closest question answer, so there you have to think which one is the correct. So this elimination technique apply at that time when you are near to the close to the question answer. So this is also when you are solving the 50-50 question and 60-60 question, this exercise makes you the perfect to make the proper elimination and selecting the correct answer.
Okay, okay, okay. So let's talk about further about these things. How was the exam experience? Which area was more highlighted in the exam? People, process. Before that, we are getting congratulations from Usman
Yeah.
Khan,
Thank you,
my
Bye. Thank you.
Abbas, Sabir Saab saying congratulations. Okay, so let's talk about this thing. And guys, if you want to ask people watching at LinkedIn, we have a good audience at LinkedIn. Normally, Wasim, you always watch also at LinkedIn, so you know that a lot of people watch at LinkedIn. So, uh, what was like the most highlighted area in the exam?
Agile. The
Agile.
agile. Yes, more. I think more than 80 questions from the agile, and then team, and the stakeholder. Only three topic I see in the question: agile, team, and stakeholder, and some
Okay.
question from the communication. I think very less, three or four, or I think five. But agile question, and sir, which means this process and full marks we are solving. I see many questions in the exam from
the
process
context
and full marks.
the context
Yes,
the context of the questions were like very similar. You have done
very similar.
2,000 questions, so the context start matching. Of course, there are only
Yes.
2,000 or 3,000 scenarios in the world, so the scenarios start matching, of
No,
course.
no,
And plus
similar questions. Similar question. I
the
found similar
the
question.
the, the context, you see, the Wasim, interesting thing about PMP exam is it's all about scenarios. Okay,
Yes.
now being said that regarding mocks, because our mocks are made by certified PMPs like you, and we made sure that those relevant to the real exam. Okay,
Yes.
Wasim, thank you very much for your time. Wasim, now the responsibility lies on you. The responsibility
Yes.
falls on you. You have few students in your batch. You need to follow each one, teach one formula. You need to
Inshallah, sir.
guide other PMP students how to work into that. And you know how Usman is doing, and Sabir has a
Yes.
session today. How Usman and
Yes.
Sabir, you need to do that from your job, from your batch. Gulzar has become busy now. From previous year, he used to do the same thing. He used to work. He used to teach every single lesson. So now I need you to become my hand in that. You know, I have a lot of students. I cannot. I can do follow up, but not every single thing. So I would be needing that from your side. You need to become
No.
my. Azim is also
Inshallah.
saying my batch four student. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank
Second,
you.
second thing that I need from you, as you were saying, the context of the questions were very similar to the real exam. Now, not the real question that is important. You are not allowed to share anything that the PMI says. You remember before starting the exam, you put
Uh,
that check. So the try to be the question that has a context like of PMP exam, and I will be using that questions. Let me end the call. I will explain you how to do that. But context has to be that I will be using those questions in the coaching calls. We will be updating our mocks, and most importantly, have a good dinner, celebrate with your friends, enjoy. That is one of the most important thing, that you enjoy your celebration. With that,
okay.
Wasim, thank you very much for joining our program, and best of luck for future endeavors.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I would have not been able to clear the exam if Amir Ali would have not been there. I would have not been.
I did not believe that I will be able to clear my PMP within a month.
I don't know what to say actually. Like I'm kind of like really
and I
trembling.
got my results and I was above target in all three categories.
Wow.
So